Did you know that 95% of campers experience unknown sounds at night? Alone in the woods, every rustle can ignite curiosity and a sense of adventure. First, stay calm. Panic only heightens danger. Take a deep breath, slow your heart rate, and listen intently to identify the sound's origin. Awareness is key. Scan your surroundings using a flashlight. Avoid sudden movements. Look for clues without leaving your tent, and stay vigilant. Assess the situation. Is it a natural sound or something unusual? Animals often make harmless noises. Note any recurring patterns or intensity. Keep essential tools nearby. A whistle, flashlight, and first aid kit can be lifesavers. These tools offer security and preparedness against unexpected events. Avoid making loud noises. Instead, use a whistle if necessary. This can alert others nearby or scare off potential wildlife without revealing your location. Remember to stay inside your tent unless absolutely necessary. The tent provides a barrier and safety. Venturing out can sometimes escalate the situation. Stay connected. Inform someone of your whereabouts and schedule regular check-ins. This ensures you have support if the unknown sounds persist.